Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video. Today we are at the creation premiere of the new Renault Austral. I have the key here and this car is a replacement for the Kadjar and it looks awesome, sits on the new platform and we are driving towards the coast. We have a beautiful snow around us and this car looks very good, and the model in our video has got the beautiful spec. It's got the Esprit Alpine trim and as you can see, new Renault badge and the beautiful grille C shape of the LEDs. These are the LED pure vision lights. Moving on to the side, 4 meters 51 is the length. Nice dual tone wheels, and we are going to take this car on a point of view drive now. So let me show you the lights from the rear. They emphasize the width of the car. And you see here, this E lettering means that this model is the E-Tech Hybrid. So now without further ado, let's take it on a drive. I just actually want to show you the tailgate as well. An additional room in here. Press this to close it. And I will also do a full review, but today we're just gonna go on a nice relaxed drive. So let's see it from driver's perspective.